Understanding the Kanban System, an English language tutorial. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we'll be diving into the Kanban System, a term you might come across in business and productivity contexts. So, let's get started and discover what this Japanese-derived term means and how it's used in English-speaking workplaces. The Kanban system is a method for managing work that balances the demands with the available capacity and improves the flow of work. Originating in Japan, Kanban translates to signboard or billboard. This system was first implemented in Toyota factories to ensure a harmonious workflow and has since been adopted in various fields. Kanban is based on 4 fundamental principles. 1. Visualize the work, using cards and boards to see all pieces of work at various stages. 2. Limit work in progress. To ensure quality and focus, limiting the amount of ongoing tasks is crucial. 3. Focus on flow. Monitoring the movement of tasks to ensure smooth transitions from one stage to the next. 4. Continuous improvement. Regularly analyzing and improving the workflow efficiency. At the heart of the Kanban system is the Kanban Board, a visual tool used to track work. It typically consists of columns that represent different stages of the process, such as to do, in progress, and done. Cards or sticky notes are moved across the board, providing a clear picture of progress and any bottlenecks. Employing the Kanban system can bring various benefits. Enhanced efficiency. By visualizing tasks, teams can identify and address delays. Flexibility. Kanban allows teams to adapt quickly to changes. Increased productivity. By limiting work in progress, teams can focus better and complete tasks faster. Continuous delivery. Workflows are maintained steadily, leading to consistent output. Beyond manufacturing, Kanban can be applied to personal productivity. You can use it to organize your study schedule, household chores, or even plan events. The principles of visualization and flow can help you manage your tasks more effectively. Thank you for joining us to learn about the Kanban system. We hope this video has shed light on how this powerful productivity tool can be utilized not just in businesses but in our personal lives too. Keep exploring and applying these principles to enhance your workflow. See you in the next session.